And I'm back again, and I've got no idea this is going to sound via the webcam mic, because the bass cab's over there. I'm going to get a fair bit of reflected, so it might pick it up. Might very well distort a lot. Windows might rattle if I turn it up too loud, plus I can't exactly turn it up too loud at the moment now. The neighbours. B string still needs to settle in a bit, but it'll do. If I can remember shit. Yeah, you're going to sing along, Cat. You're going to sing the melody. You hum it, I'll play it. It has been at least, I think I said it earlier, about 4 years since I've even touched this. So I've got to try and remember, get the finger memory going, and allow for the fact that my fingers are nowhere near as strong or flexible as they used to be. So, excuses. This used to be one of the regular exercises that I'd do as a finger warm-up, and can't even remember it now. Not quite. Coffee. Reach. The problem is when you use something like this as a practice, it becomes almost subconscious, such that when you actually have, when I actually think about it, what I'm actually playing, it's harder to remember than when I just let my fingers do it, if that makes sense. So I'm trying to not overthink it and just let it happen. Missed the first part. Getting there. Yeah, rushing. If you're rushing, you're not getting it clear enough, which means you're gonna, well, I see it saying you, I, which means you're gonna trip over it sooner or later. try it once more, then it'll get boring, so I'll try something else. Yeah. These are just walking blues lines. Good for finger exercising, good for learning walking patterns. Also you move them up and down the fretboard depending on what the bass note is, the root note of the chord structure, so you can do them in different keys and whatever. But it's good if you can actually remember them. Well, obviously, for you, unless you know the line, it's just what? You are really gonna fucking piss me off, right? I'll leave that one for now. Try and remember it at some point. Try and remember it. Way too tinny. Better with the full fat. It's better with the full fat. Trying to remember shit is fucking hardest part. That's the hardest part for me now. Just trying to fucking remember something. It's going to wind me up. Yeah, lots of practice. Doop-a-doo. In the wrong key, of course, but you know, it's the advantage of having a B string. Fleetwood Mac, where's your B? Oh, I think I should leave that there. About, well, I've got an hour and a half's worth of dossing about, and I've got lots of practice to do. Bye.